Welcome back, everyone. This is Mick with Fresh from the Range, and I'm here to do a unboxing as well as a first impression of the holster laser combo by Warriorland. This one is actually for a Glock 17/19, which will fit my Glock 22 fairly well. As you can see, this has been unopened, so this is going to be a first for both of us. Now remember with that, if you can, make sure to like, comment down below something about Warriorland or something about this video, and also with that, subscribe to the channel. So understanding much, Warriorland did hit me up on a message and did send me this box right over, so you're going to get an unbiased review no matter if this was free or not. So I'm gonna have to check this one out. So as we get that open right there, first impression, boom. Got the holster itself, very nice. Kydex style holster, the points are there. I see the clip, wow. Did come with a little booklet, WLS-1. This is for the red laser sight. A little ajarred in the box, but wow, I didn't realize how compact this one would be. But as you can see, this right here has all the stuff you need for it. It does have the Allen key in there to open up the battery compartment. This is a flat head here, so let's check it out. Open this up. As I open that up, I'm seeing that these little bags, oh, I see, these are the batteries. So this is a 3-volt CR 1/3 N battery, and let's see if I can get that moved with my thumb, which surprising enough. All right, you can see that. I gotta get that in there. I see it. Whoa, you can see it. Let's see, there's a red laser there, so I can see both sides have the ambi buttons. That's a nice touch. Now onto the holster. Just wanted to make sure that yes, the chamber is clear. And always make sure the chamber is clear. You never know, these horror stories out there. And as you can see, that laser slides right in place, and yes, it does the job. Now, like I said, it's got ambi buttons, which I'm surprised about. So as it sits on my Glock 22, it goes right into the holster with the laser as well. I will be doing my due diligence to make sure that this is on an up and up. As you can see, this is a somewhat of a review but unboxing as well, so this is my first time really looking at the holster itself, and we will see how well it is for concealed carry. So I gotta say thank you all for watching. Again, special thanks to Warriorland. Also with that, if you could like, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This was Mick from Fresh from the Range.